So here we have not written n is equal to, here n is there, this n is the number of bolt. N is the here number of bolts. T is, we know the T thickness of the plate. Again, T is the thickness of plate. So that is in the formula of plate. So write down here in plate formula. So here N is, this N is number of bolt and T is the thickness of plate. So similarly, now here what is D here? Depth of connected leg. This D is the depth of connected leg. Now here N is equal to, this is very important, here N is the number of rows, not bolt. Means how many rows are there? If one more row is there here like this, so here how many rows are there? 2 rows are there. If only one bolt line is there, so N is equal to 1. If 2 bolt lines are there, then N is equal to 2. If 3 bolt lines are there here like this, so N is equal to 3. Are you getting now? So whatever number of lines are there, bolt lines are there, that are the here N. Means here 3 lines are there. So here we have to write 3, not 6. These are the number of rows, not a number of bolt we have to deduct here, because we are taking a critical section. In the critical section only, your member will be fail. So we have to take one row only. So here N is the number of rows. Simple. So now here 3 rows are there. So here N is equal to 3. Are you getting? Now, so again here T is equal to, here thickness of angle. T is equal to thickness of angle, because now we are calculating the net area for the angle, not plate. So here we have to reduce the T by 2. Why here thickness they have written deducted average? Huh? Anyone can tell me? So this is the angle. It is connected to this plate. Huh. So they have deducted from this depth. Yeah, depth madun N into DH. Now here N is 1. TH is the diameter of bolt hole. Now they have deducted T by 2. Why? Because the angle is not like this. हा अँगल तुमचा असा नाहीये. मार्केटमध्ये अँगल जो मिळतो तो तुम्हाला अशा शेपचा आहे बघा, कर्वेचर शेपचा आहे. म्हणजे थिकनेस ही कॉन्स्टंट नाहीये. आर यू गेटिंग? दिस टी इज नॉट कॉन्स्टंट. सो दे हैव डिडक्टेड average thickness here. This average thickness they have deducted. This thickness is constant thickness, but here this thickness is not constant. Here is different, here is different, at this point is different. So we have to deduct here average thickness. So into T is the net area of the section. Are you getting why they have deducted T by 2? So they have deducted average thickness, because the thickness is not same throughout its depth. This is the depth. This is the depth. So not uh, same throughout the depth. So we have to minus average thickness. So जरी काही थोडंसं समजलं नाही तर एक फॉर्म्युला लिहून घ्या. प्रॉब्लेम आपण इतके सॉल्व्ह करणार आहे याच्यावरची की तुम्हाला हे पाठ होऊन जाईल सगळं. AN, ANC, AGO. Now we are writing only the design style. So are you getting here now? So this is the net area, D minus NDH minus T by 2 into T. So this is the net area. Now this net area is over. So FU everybody knows, gamma M1 is again everybody knows. Now we will move towards the AGO. Second unknown is the AGO. So AGO is equal to, AGO is the gross area of outstanding leg. Here AGO is nothing but gross area of outstanding leg. So which is the outstanding leg here? प्लेटला जी लेग कनेक्ट केलेली आहे त्याला आपण कनेक्टेड लेग म्हणतो आणि जी प्लेट पासून बाजूला आहे सो दिस इज द आउटस्टँडिंग लेग. आर यू गेटिंग एव्हरीवन? So angle having two legs. One is we are connecting to the plate and another is the outstanding. Are you getting everyone? Connecting and outstanding. So या प्लेटला या लेगनी कनेक्ट केले सो वी आर कॉलिंग ॲज अ कनेक्टिंग लेग and this is the outstanding leg. So we have to calculate the area. So here not any bolt is provided. This leg we have not provided any bolt. So we called as a gross area. त्याला होलच नाही तर नेट एरिया कसं म्हणायचं? जिथं होल आलं तिथं नेट एरिया. नेट म्हणजेच होल मायनस करून जो कॅल्क्युलेट केलेला एरिया दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी नेट एरिया. सो हिअर hole is not there, so we called as a gross area of outstanding leg. Are you getting why we call as a gross area of outstanding leg? जर ग्रॉस एरिया का म्हणतो तर ह्याला होलच नाही त्यामुळे ग्रॉस एरिया म्हटलं. जिथं होल आहे तिथं नेट एरिया म्हणतो कारण का होल मायनस केले की नेट एरिया मिळतो आपल्याला. आर यू गेटिंग? सो ग्रॉस एरिया ऑफ आउटस्टँडिंग लेग इज इक्वल टू B minus, now here need not to minus this. हे मायनस करायची गरजच नाही कारण बोल्टच नाहीये. सो T by 2 into T. Simple. Gross area of outstanding leg is equal to B minus this B minus average thickness into T. Are you getting? So write down this. Gross area of outstanding leg is equal to B minus T by 2 into T. So what is B here? This B is the width of plate. Here this B is equal to width of plate. Sorry. Width of angle. Because the angle having two legs, one is connected and other is outstanding. So here we have used the width of this D is nothing but width of this connected leg, and here B is the width of this outstanding leg. So if for example, here angle is suppose 80 by 50 by 8. So here 80 is suppose connected leg. So here D means 80 and now here B means this 50. Are you getting? जर अँगल तुम्हाला 80 बाय 50 बाय 8 चा दिला असेल, 80 by 50 by 8 चा अँगल दिला असेल, तर 80 is nothing but this connected leg, 50 is nothing but this outstanding leg. So here B is the 50 and here D is the 80. Are you getting? या D ला आपण B म्हणू शकतो. शक्यतो इथं बीच म्हटलेलं आहे याच्यामध्ये प्रॉब्लेम प्रोसिजर मध्ये किंवा पुस्तकामध्ये आपण डी म्हटलं कारण का ती कनेक्टेड लेग डेप्थ म्हणतो आपण. Are you getting now how to calculate net area and how to calculate gross area? Please everyone, please reply me. So these are the two very important terms. So I will repeat once again. Second design strength we are calculating. So for in the second design lane, there is a design strength due to rupture of critical section. The formula for plate is different and formula for angle is different. Now we have seen here the formula for plate is there. So now we are calculating the strength for angle here. So TDN, this is for angle section. So for the angle section, we have to use this formula, calculation of design strength. We have to use this formula for single angle section. So here in this formula, this ANC and AGO, these two are the net and gross areas of this angle section. So we have to calculate this net area of the section, connected leg, and gross area of the outstanding leg. So here we have calculated ANC. So how to calculate ANC? Net area of the connected leg. So this leg is connected to the gusset plate. This leg is connected to the gusset plate. So we have to calculate this area of this connected leg to the plate. So net area of the connected leg is equal to D minus. So this D is this is the depth of the angle. So D minus N into DH. So how many number of rows are there? That is N, number of rows. This is one row, this is second row. So 1 and 2 rows are there. So we have to write here 2. If 1 row is there, we have to write here 1 into DH. So how much depth that bolt is there? How much depth that is how much diameter of that hole is there? That is nothing but the DH minus T by 2. So here the average thickness we have to deduct because the thickness is not same as throughout their depth. So here we have deducted the thickness, that is T by 2, and so this part we have deducted from this width or depth, and the another dimension is the thickness, overall thickness. So by deducting this, whatever depth will be there, that depth into thickness is the net area of the connected leg. So this is the net area of the connected leg. So here depth is the connected leg. Now N is the number of rows and T is the thickness of angle. Are you getting? So this is similarly for the AGO. Next unknown is the AGO. So gross area of the outstanding leg. So another leg of angle is the outstanding. It is not connected. So we called as the outstanding leg. So here we are not making the holes for the plate. So the plate, this leg is the gross leg. त्याला आपण एखादी होल प्रोव्हाइड केलं नाही म्हणून त्याला आपण ग्रॉस लेग म्हणणार. सो gross area of outstanding leg is equal to B minus T by 2. So here B is this is the width B. minus t by 2. Again here the thickness is not same throughout the width. So t by 2 into thickness, overall thickness of this angle. This is the overall thickness of the angle. So with this way, we can calculate the net area of the connected leg and gross area of the outstanding leg. So this is the very, very, very important part of this formula. हे यायलाच पाहिजे या चॅप्टर मध्ये. कनेक्टेड लेगची आणि आउटस्टँडिंग लेगची तुम्हाला एरिया कॅल्क्युलेट करायला आला पाहिजे. So we will solve so many examples, then you will better understood how to calculate gross area and how to calculate net area. So don't worry, I am here. Okay, now second and very important part here is beta. So formula for beta. Go to IS code, please. Please go to IS code. The formula for beta is given. Page number 33 at bottom. They have given formula for beta. So formula for beta, beta is the factor. So 1.4 minus 0.076 into W by T into Fy upon Fu into Bs upon Lc Bs upon Lc. Now it should be less than or equal to, it should be less than or equal to Fu into gamma m naught divided by Fy into gamma m1. It means the value of beta, it should be less than or equal to this. So Fu आपल्याला known असतो, Fy known असतो, gamma m naught known आहे, gamma. So याची जर कॅल्क्युलेशन केलं तर हे कॅल्क्युलेशन हे ह्याच्यापेक्षा कमी आला पाहिजे. And next, so see, please see the IS code. This formula is given in IS code page number 33. And this value is greater than or equal to 0.7. Are you getting? So this is the formula for beta. Response कोणच देत नाही मला. आवाज येतोय का माझा? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
तिला का हा फॉर्म्युला बीटाचा? थोडस प्रॅक्टिस होईपर्यंत थोडस अवघड जाईल. एक दोन प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करू आपण याच्यावरती, त्यावेळी तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. Because these all the formulas are the empirical formulas. म्हणजे लिमिट स्टेट मेथड ही अशी मेथड तयार केली गेलेली आहे की तुमची, आपण तीन मेथड पाहिल्या. एक लिमिट स्टेट मेथड आहे, वर्किंग स्ट्रेस, आणि दुसरी अल्टिमेट लोड मेथड. सर तिन्हीच अल्टिमेट लिमिट वर्किंग स्ट्रेस मेथड आणि अल्टिमेट स्ट्रेस मेथड या दोन्ही डिफरंट मेथड आहेत. या दोन्हीला कंबाईन करून लिमिट स्टेट मेथड तयार केली. त्यामुळे याच्या फॉर्म्युले याच्यामधले आहेत ते खूप इम्पेरिकल फॉर्म्युले आहेत, की साधे फॉर्म्युले नाहीत की सरळ. त्याचा इनिशियल स्ट्रेस आणि फेल्युअर स्ट्रेस या दोन्हीचा अभ्यास करून फॉर्म्युले तयार केलेले आहेत. म्हणजे खूप इकॉनॉमिकल सेक्शन तयार होतोय या मेथडनी. म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो आपल्याला 10 रुपयाचं लागतं तर 10 रुपयाच आणायचं, जर त्याच्यापेक्षा 2 रुपयाचे जास्त आणलं तर काय होणार आहे, वेस्टेज होणार आहे. सिमिलर टू दॅट ते फॉर्म्युले आहेत ते खूप इकॉनॉमिकल आहेत. म्हणजे तुम्हाला रिक्वायर्ड जेवढा साईजचा सेक्शन पाहिजे तेवढा लोड कॅरी करण्यासाठी तेवढा सेक्शन या फॉर्म्युल्यानं यूज केलं की तुम्हाला सिलेक्ट होतं. सो दॅट this method limit state method is the formulas in this limit state method is are empirical formulas. खूप मोठे मोठे फॉर्म्युले आहेत. डोंट वरी, तुमच्याकडे आयएस कोड असेल तर पेज नंबर 33 वरती फॉर्म्युला अवेलेबल आहे. सो यू गॉट दिस बीटा. नाव व्हॉट इज टाइम नाव? कारण का हा बीटा एक्सप्लेन करायला तुम्हाला मला अर्धा तास जाणार आहे. बिकॉज here W is unknown, T is unknown, Fy, Fu, Bs and Lc. So Bs and Lc, these are the very important part in this formula. So that also given in IS code. So we will see the beta in detail in next lecture. Okay. So we will stop here, but wait 1 minute. We will see beta in detail in next lecture. Just minute. Wait, I will take attendance. Just minute. Do not left. Okay.